Raise it high, spread it wide, shout it loud. It is my season.
Raise your hands, he said. Raise it high, roll it wide, shout it loud. It is my season. Let me hear you say, raise your hands.
Raise it high, spread it wide, shout it loud. It is my season.
Bring it up. One more time, let me hear.
Raise it high, spread it wide, shout it loud. It is my season.
Are you ready? Everybody, raise your hands. I can see an open heaven. Come on. Pouring down blessings in my life. I can see better tomorrow. Don't you cry, oh mama. I can see coconuts are made. I can see the cloud has gathered. Say tomorrow.
Tomorrow, 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 check me out tomorrow, 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 check me out tomorrow,
Tomorrow, yo, yo. Check it, check. Tomorrow. Say tomorrow. Check it out. Everybody, tomorrow, yo, yo. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Ay, 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 ay. I want to say a big thank you to Pastor Wilson Bugembe. He showed me love. My coming here, I've met so many people. I've met so many pastors. But one thing about me, I'm moved by the Spirit. Wilson is a humble pastor. That pastor, I know he's hearing me where he is. He is humble. I want to thank him. He welcomed me. He showed me love. He showed me, even though I'm not from Uganda, I'm a black skin like him. So I'm going to go back to Nigeria. I know he has come to Nigeria, but I'm going back to Nigeria to tell Nigeria there is a pastor I met in Uganda that is different. And whenever a pastor comes to Nigeria, I will retaliate. Thank you so much, but don't forget, 2019 is over. We are entering 2020. But listen, one thing I brought to you is a message of good tidings, that 2020 will be greater than 2019. So we are going to do it. One more line, just the strength of the instrument. Put your right hand on your chest. Just put your right hand on your chest. Now sing it from the depth of your heart. Just one line, and I'm done. No matter what I face, no matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, no matter how I cry, one thing I know that is definite in my heart, my tomorrow must be greater than today. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
David, before you go, this is called a zike. David, okay, this is called a zike. I don't want it. I want to give it to you. Yes, I don't want. You want to give it to me? Okay, I was just saying for the sake of wait, microphone. I was just saying for the sake of saying it. But I don't know. I've been taking this one. I can take this one is small. Like this one I can take.
Okay.
Yeah, but this one is called a zike. Zibunyo okufune wane wa Museveni. Siwe wao. Baba kusaba zike nga boyingira mwandi weze bwe muti. So it is called a zike.
Okay.
I want to give it to you.
You want to give it?
Yes. But if you want me to stay with it, I can keep it for you.
All right. Today is Boxing Day, and we give gifts today.
Yes.
So I'm going to surprise somebody and give the person this gift.
Yeah.
I know it's your... Don't be shouting here. I'm not talking about you.
Of course not.
So as I was saying...
Yes.
It's my talk, not your...
Yes, please continue.
All right.
Continue.
As I was saying, I'm going to bless somebody with this gift. It's your currency, but I'm going to give it, it's going to touch my hand. It's going to touch my hand. And that hand of greater tomorrow. Greater tomorrow. This song was written 15 years ago.
Wow.
We have been doing this song for the past 15 years.
You missed an opportunity to clap.
So it's a song of sustenance. So I'm going to drop this money in somebody's hand. When I drop it in your hand, you don't know it's going to come to hand. I know it's small money to you, but it's a blessing.
It is not small.
Yes, I know. Just give it to me. Thank you. All right.
Okusabadde gugo n'oziweereza eri naye kale kyekyo.
Sibadde zoli. Alabye yeetaaga ennyo.
Ye taata oyo akusobola. Oyo akusobola nakugamba.
Nakoze dda sikayanyera.
Tugende maaso. Pasa Wilson Bugembe.
Pasa Wilson Bugingo.
Pasa Wilson Bugembe. Njagala mu Luzungu. Sawa za Luzungu.
Mu Luzungu libeera eryo. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
fire.